So welcome to another edition of Quick View. My name is Oji Gray, and in this episode we are going to be reviewing a very interesting phone. So we are reviewing the Essential PH1. Essential is a company by Andy Rubin. He was a co-creator of the Android platform, and so he looked around and saw that the smartphone market was in chaos and decided to bring about a phone that's going to be essential and solve most of the problems Android users face. So he made the Essential PH1. So the Essential PH1 comes with premium quality build materials. We have Gorilla Glass 5 at the front, we have the ceramic back, and we have the titanium frame. So the materials used in making this Essential phone is top-notch, high quality. So titanium is way durable and better than aluminum, which is used in most flagship devices. It has a ceramic back, meaning you'd never ever scratch the back of this phone. We have the Gorilla Glass 5 front panel. So this phone is a very good build all in all. Let's move to the display. One thing that caught attention of the tech community or the tech world was the display of the Essential phone. So the Essential PH1 comes with a 5.7 Quad HD LCD display with a screen to body ratio of 84.9%. That's very impressive. If you look at the phone, everything you see here is displayed. The only thing at the front is the camera notch at the top, which houses the camera sensor and the proximity sensor. Slightly above the camera sensor, you have the speaker grill, which is so unnoticeable. And I should say, Essential did a very great job with the design of this phone. Starting from the left, you have the speaker grill, we have the Type-C port, and we have the SIM slot. Beside the SIM slot, we have the mic for calls and all that. So right at the back of the Essential, we have the fingerprint sensor. It's well positioned in a very comfortable place. So if you have smaller hands or big hands, you will be able to reach the fingerprint sensor, and I should say is very fast as compared to other devices. Right above the fingerprint sensor, we have the camera flash. We have two camera sensors, one for capturing color, one for capturing black and white. And right after that, we have the two magnetic pins for connecting accessories like the 360 camera made by Essential that helps you capture 360 video and pictures as well. Out of the box, the Essential PH1 came in Android 7.0, but Essential has been able to update this phone to Android 8.1. And fun fact, 8.1 is running on just Pixel and Nexus devices. This Essential PH1 phone is the first non-Google device to run Android 8.1, and I feel that's a very impressive feat for Essential. So we have said a lot of good things about the Essential PH1, but this phone certainly has some cons. The first con is that this phone doesn't support wireless charging, and in 2018, when wireless charging has been made a standard, it would have been very nice for a flagship device to have wireless charging. So our second dislike of the Essential PH1 is the fact that it doesn't come with a 3.5mm earphone slot, which is very essential, I should say. So if this phone is trying to market itself as an essential phone, it would have been very ideal to have the earphone slot, but this phone certainly doesn't come with it, and to us, it's one of the biggest dislikes of this phone. Also, the Essential phone claims to be a very essential phone, but it doesn't come with an SD card slot. And even the S9 has the SD card slot, and we felt that for a phone to be a very essential phone in our lives, we needed an SD card slot. So that's one dislike about this phone, but we can say with 128 gigs of storage, for someone who doesn't heavily use media, the 128 gigs of storage will be enough for you. But still, it's a dislike for us. The last dislike is that this phone doesn't support waterproofing. Waterproofing is a feature that we saw in 2017, and most 2018 flagships have it, but this phone doesn't have waterproofing, and that is one dislike of the Essential phone. So guys, that's about it with the Essential PH1. So let us know in the comment section down below whether this phone is a 2017-2018 champion, or if not, let us know what other phone you would prefer to use in 2018. My name is Oji Gray, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one, and have a blessed, amazing weekend.